What's the meaning of breathless? Breathless. Breathless.
Breathless. Breathless. The term breathless refers to the state of being out of breath, or a person struggles to breathe, and there is an increased demand for oxygen in the body. It can be caused by various factors such as physical exertion, asthma, anxiety, or heart problems. The result of feeling breathless is a sense of panic, where the individual may gasp for air or feel suffocated. They may experience dizziness, chest pain, or fatigue due to the decreased oxygen supply to the body. It is crucial to seek medical attention if breathlessness persists or worsens, as it could indicate a severe underlying condition.